Do you need to replace the LCD display assembly on your Alienware m17 R2? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. Now really quickly, ESD or electrostatic discharge, which is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap and you can use an ESD mat. Alright, now first unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Next, disconnect the battery cable. Now peel the mylar covering the motherboard. Now disconnect the rear I/O cover cable. Then unscrew and slide off the rear I/O cover cable. Unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cables. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket, and then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove the LCD assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.